Welcome to your channel Myra Pro, hope you enjoyed with this video. So, there are many cheap earphones in the market, but they vary by the quality, the features and the price. Today and in this video I am going to share with you the best cheap Bluetooth earphones you can buy right now. It's not just an earphones, it's more than that, so stay and continue until the end of the video to find out more about these earphones. Firstly, when you open the box you'll find a charging box, and you'll find also a USB cable, also a pairs earphones, and a quick start guide. At last you'll find dual Bluetooth earphones inside the charging box. These earphones feature a stylish design, and a high manufacturing quality. On the earphone you'll find a multi-function button to control the functions like power on, power off, call, reject, play and pause music, and so on. It has also on that button a LED indicator, that let you know if the earphones are in on or off mode. On the bottom it has a charging contact point. As I said, it's more than a Bluetooth earphones. With these earphones, you can use one earphone alone, or use two earphones at the same time. If you want to use one earphone alone, choose one of the earphones, then press and hold for 3 seconds until a blue light appears. Then pair it with the Bluetooth on your device, and it'll works with you directly. And if you want to use two earphones at the same time, all you need to do, turn on both earphones by press and hold for 3 seconds until a blue light appears, then press on both of them for 1 second and you'll see the LED indicator flash purple, which means resetting. The process of reset will take 10 to 15 seconds. When the left earphone flash blue means the reset pairing success, then pair it with the Bluetooth on your device, and it'll works with you directly and without any problems. Also it has waterproof and sweatproof design to protect earphones from sweat or the rain. These earphone has a truly wireless design, mini and invisible. Also it's ultralight with only a 4.1 grams for each one. You'll feel nothing in your ears. Talking on the battery. It has a double battery, ensures 5 hours continue playing, also has a power saving mode to stay with you up to 110 hours of standby time. But that is not all. It comes with a charging box that comes with 250 mAh battery that allows you to charge the earphones more than 3 times. These charging box will help you to bypass the battery problem. So, all features on these earphones. It's a waterproof, you can use it as a single or dual mode, it's stereo, it has long battery life and a built-in microphone, also you can see the battery level on the iOS system, and it's fully compatible with most of smartphones. The charging box have a very good design, it's like an egg, it's small and pretty, you can put it in your pocket without any problem, so you can take it with you wherever you go. On the back of these charging box you'll find a charging port, on the front, you'll see a left and right charge indicator, and you'll find a button between them. These buttons let you turn on or off the earphone charging through the charging box, and you'll find above them a button to close or open the charging box door. Finally, the audio quality and detail on these earphones have blown me away. They're extremely well balanced and offer a rich, spacious yet natural sound. The level of detail and clarity is way more than I had expected it to be. It's more comfortable, more fit, more stable experience. All I can say is, you should try this earphones. About the price, these earphones will cost you around $40 or less if you purchase it from the link below in the description box. Please help me by sharing this video. You'll not lose anything if you shared this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me. At last, subscribe on the channel to get my latest videos. Thanks a lot for your time. If you liked this video, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get last updates. Thank you for your time.